Hey, what's up everyone? Rise up, champions! Great morning. My name is Neo Rayos. Welcome to a fine, wonderful morning. It's a bit late. Woke up late. Sakit ang ulo ko eh. Medyo I was not planning to move. But then again, excuses yon, excuses. So, medyo na late kami ng bangon. And so here we are. It's almost 8 o'clock. And medyo mainit na. But still, we were able to make some rounds. So, just a realization, you know. Kanina, while ayoko nga bumangon eh. Don't want to get up. Sabi ko, gusto ko lang matulog, magpahinga. Kasi masakit dito. And sabi ng wife ko, my wife said, baka pag tinakbo natin yan, mawawala. Well, true enough, nung tinakbo natin, medyo na-ease yung pain. So parang wala na siya. See, wala na. So it's really just an excuse. Sad to say, here I am, talking about rise up champions, but there are times, there are days na you feel like you don't like doing it, you know. Parang magkakaroon ka ng excuses, then your body will tell you, no, don't get up, no, let's sleep pa, tulog pa tayo. So there will be times of excuses. Do you know the one thing that kills success? No, it's not talent. That's not. No, not talent. The one thing that kills success mostly is disciplined execution. Dito tayo sa maganda yung signal. Disciplined execution. Not just execution, but disciplined execution. Yung matipong you're following a process, a set of system, a structure, so that you'll be able to deliver the goals that you wanted, that you have set. Hindi basta yung barabarabay. Kumaga sa boxing nga, sabi nga ni Flash Elorde, di ba? Huwag barabarabay. So, it has to be meticulous, it has to be strategic, and then may tactics kang sinusunod. So, disciplined execution. You know, there are times, most people would like to have success. That's true. They wanted success. Gusto ko yan. But few are willing to do disciplined execution or disciplined action. Konti lang. Hindi lahat. That's why makikita mo hindi lahat nagsasucceed. Why? Because they don't follow through. Success is in the follow-up. I was looking back. This is my 8th day na pala of doing this. Sunday, I did a talk for Feast South Mall, and then yun yung parang content natin. But now, this is our 8th day, and wow, we're doing it every day. So here are 3 key things that I learned from this experience when I started this. First, about disciplined execution. First, success favors the discipline. Ano yan? Makikita natin, we can see it in the athletes, in the successful people. Success favors the discipline. Look at Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry, yung training regimen niya, he would make sure that he's early before the practice time. He will do some drills, some hoops. After niya mag-practice, after tapos na yung training practice, he would stay. Tapos he will do consecutive 3-pointers dapat. I think the most that he did 100 plus 3-point shots consecutive in one of the training sessions. Ganun ka-rigid yung regimen, ganun siya ka-discipline. Even yung process niya, yung sinusunod niyang structured training program. Kobe Bryant, the same. He starts his training at 4 a.m. So talk about discipline, and these are athletes whom we really admire, really know, because grabe yung passion nila, yung discipline nila. So yeah, success favors the discipline. Second, consistency is key. You have to do it every day. Daily action, daily action. Every day you take massive action. I just went through a 3-day workshop, 3-day training, the 10X Growth Con. All these successful businessmen, billionaires, actors, they have one thing that they're saying, which is all of them are saying, do it every day, do it every day, do it every day. No, people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in a year of consistent action or daily action. Consistency is the key. You do it every day. Small things matters. Don't worry about doing it big kagad. You do it every day. Small things matter. If you are a writer, you write 1 page a day. At the end of the year, guess what? You have a 365-page book. Diba? You wanted to be healthy, to have a strong body. Do push-ups every day. Huwag mong gawin kagad. I tried this, sabi nila, do 100 push-ups every day so that you will achieve a strong body. Parang ganyan. I tried it. I cannot. 100 push-ups, man. But if you'll do it like 5 first, and then rest, and then another 5, and then another 5, then you're done. The next day you do 5, 5, 5. The next day you do 5, 5, 5. For all you know it, on your 10th day, you're doing 10, 10, 10 na pala. And then on your 30th day, baka you're doing 100 push-ups na. Hindi nga lang consecutive pa, nakasets siya, pero eventually you are able to do it because your body is getting stronger, getting stronger, getting stronger. Daily action, small actions every day. Small actions when done every day will give you massive results in the end. Third point, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, your body will give you excuses. That's for sure. Kahit sino, meron yan. Magkakaroon ka ng excuses. I myself had excuses kanina. Ayaw akong gawin to. Masakit ulo ko, masakit katawan ko, masakit yung likod ko. But you just have to rise up and show up. You just have to show up. Have that discipline, have that passion, have that will. God has given you that free will, that concentrated power of will for you to show up and do this for yourself and for the people who are there, you know, for you to serve, for you who are called to serve. May tao got distracted. Tapos may 3 aso. You know, that's what we're saying. So those are 3 points na hopefully you got some kicks out of it, some nuggets out of it. Ano yung una? Success favors the disciplined. Consistency is key. And no excuses. You just need to rise up every day. Do it inspired. Do it for yourself. Do it for the people who love you. If it's fitness that you're trying to achieve, health, wellness, or health, do it for yourself and for the people who love you. If hindi mo kayang gawin para sa sarili mo because medyo dami mo excuses, do it for the people who love you and for the people who believe in you. Because eventually when you do it for them, it becomes like a bigger goal, a goal bigger than yourself. All right? So nagets nyo? Disciplined execution. Disciplined execution. You do it daily. You have an idea, then you focus on that idea, do the process, do the framework that you need for those ideas, and then discipline, and then take massive action. Take massive action. Do not be average. Go 10x. Take massive action. And that will deliver you results. That's the key. Nagets nyo? If this video resonated with you, come on, like and share this to your friends, and let's spread positivity. Let's spread this news, inspire people, so that eventually we will rise together as God's powerful champion. God bless everyone. Medyo pumapayat na ako, sabi ng misis ko. Oh, see? And that's my wife there. Say hi, my wife. Hi, my wife. See? That's it for now. My name is Neo Rayos. God bless everyone. Like and share. Here. Oh, and also comment. Ano yung one action, one disciplined action, that one thing that you wanted to do every day na paulit-ulit so that eventually you will achieve your results. I invite you, comment down, all right? God bless. Bye-bye. Ciao.